Hello there. So let me start by introducing myself. My name is Mohammed Rehan and I am the head of operations at a premium fitness center in Bangalore. It's called Yo Fitness. So I'm here to talk to you guys about the journey that I had with the excellence program, and I have to say that it was very life changing. I mean, I don't want to make you guys have, really high expectations that you're gonna come in and you're gonna get some big hacks in life to just get better and do better in your jobs, but it's more about learning about yourself and accepting yourself. And I just want to say that in the beginning, I myself did not understand that what was going to happen and how it was going to take place. But it's all about trusting in the process and keep on going on. I mean, at the end of it, you become this person that you would never have expected yourself to be. You don't have any more doubts. You're so sure about what you want. And that is the most important thing in life. It's about listening to your heart and not listening to all these unwanted thoughts in your head. So thank you so much to Aashwasan and to my mentor Ravi for helping me out and taking care of us through this program. I really want everyone to give this a shot. Thank you.